The vocabulary word we are exploring now is recipe. Recipe. Have you ever opened a cookbook and followed step-by-step instructions to make your favorite dish? Those instructions are called a recipe. It provides the ingredients and method to create something delicious. Beyond food, the word is also used metaphorically to describe a method or formula for success in life. Let's explore its meaning, examples, and a short story. Meaning of recipe. Recipe means a set of instructions that describes how to prepare and cook a dish, or a method for achieving a desired outcome. Examples. She shared her grandmother's recipe for apple pie. Hard work and discipline are a recipe for success. The chef tried a new recipe for the dinner party. Short story. Liam loved cooking but often failed to get dishes right. One day, his grandmother gave him her handwritten recipe for chocolate cake. With careful attention, he followed every step: the right amount of sugar, the exact baking time, and the secret ingredient she always used. When he pulled the cake out of the oven, the aroma filled the house. His family tasted it and smiled with joy. The recipe had worked perfectly. More than food, it passed down love, tradition, and a special bond between generations.